Hello, everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to another session with us. Welcome, everybody. Can I see your comments? Good day, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome back. Today we are back with day 12 of the 30 Days AI Challenge. You're all welcome. You're all welcome. Good day, good morning, good afternoon. And a reaction or a thumbs up if you're available, if you're here and you can hear me. Can I see your reactions, please? So you're welcome to 12 of the 30 Days AI Challenge. And if you're just joining us, the 30 Days AI Challenge was launched by Hills and Tech in celebration of International Women's Day. So for 30 minutes a day, you're welcome to join us to learn a practical AI tool that helps you improve your career, your business, and your general daily productivity. So you're all welcome. Oh, hello, Festus, hello, Cynthia. You're welcome. So for today, we're going to explore Perplexity AI. That is the tool for today. Many of us, including myself, they don't know about Perplexity AI. So if you've heard about it before, if you've used it before, can I see your reactions or your comments in the comment section? Hello. Okay. And for today, I'll try my very best to keep it 30 minutes or under. I'll try my best to keep it 30 minutes so that we can go about our day. So without further ado, we're just going to dive right into the practical aspect of it. Before I proceed, please confirm that you can hear me in the comment section. Just give a reaction so I know that you can hear me. Hi. Okay. Can you please confirm that you can hear me and you can see me? Then we proceed. Okay. Okay, thank you, Cynthia. All right, so I'll go ahead to share my screen. Also, let me know if you can see the screen, please. Okay, so, Perplexity AI. So Perplexity is basically an AI-powered search engine that just gives you direct answers with sources instead of just the traditional links. For example, it's kind of like Google search, but Perplexity is like having a research assistant that searches the internet, reads everything, summarizes it for you, and then shows you the sources. And you get all this in like seconds. So in order to use Perplexity AI, all you need to do is just go to your browser, any browser of your choice, and just search for Perplexity. And then the very first option you see, that's Perplexity. So you can go ahead and click on it, and it would tell you, if this is your first time, it would tell you to sign up, but I already have an account, so that's why it brought me straight in. So if you need to sign up, please go ahead. You can sign up with your Gmail. So it's easy to do. You can sign up with your Gmail. Okay, 1 second, please. Okay, so this is the interface for Perplexity AI. Just like Gemini and ChatGPT, has the feature, the UI of a chat box where you have the different buttons. So here, this button here gives you the option of uploading files or images. You can add files from cloud. This upload files or images is from your device. So you can click on it and then you get the dialog box. Let me click on it to see. Okay, it's loading. So you get your dialog box and then you can attach any file or image or anything you want to. You can also add files from your cloud if you're connected. You can do that. You have the option of connections and sources, and then you have other options. This lock icon means like that's the pro version. So just like ChatGPT and the rest of them, you have the free version, and then you have the paid version, the pro version. So have you already signed up to Perplexity AI? I'll be looking at the comment section now so I can see you. Okay. While I wait for your response, I will just go back to show it again. Okay. So on the icons here, you have search, computer, new thread, history, discover, spaces, finance, and more. And when you start doing queries, you would have more of this here. So these are just your recent threads. I'll go over each one. And then if you've signed up, you would see an icon with your name down here. Okay. And if you click on it, you have the accounts, preferences, personalization, shortcuts, connectors, all settings, plan to upgrade, apps that you can install, you can change your theme, if it's light or dark, language help, and then you can sign out of the account. So if we go to all settings, this is what you would have. And if you go to preferences, you can also make any changes that you want to. So the thing with Perplexity AI is that you have the option of excluding your data from Perplexity's AI models. So this option here, you can toggle it on or off. So this is AI data retention. So this AI data retention allows Perplexity to use your searches to improve AI models. So you can turn this off if you wish to exclude your data from this process. So you can have it on or off if you want to. For personalization, if you're just signing up, it's going to be blank. So you can put in your occupation. I just included mine. You can put in your occupation. You can give custom use simple language, avoid jargon or complex terminology, aim for clarity and ease of understanding. So this custom instructions means that for every query that I give Perplexity AI and the result gives me, I need it to use simple language for all the results. I don't want any complex things. And I also tell it to incorporate real life examples and make it relatable and practical. So you don't have to do this, but this just gives you a more customed result, basically. So once you include that, you just click on save. And of course, you can clear it, you can change it at any point in time. Okay, there are some features that are free, and then there are those that are paid. So, so yes, you also have connectors, for instance. So this means that you can connect other applications that you use to your Perplexity AI. So for instance, here we have Gmail with calendar, you have Outlook, and there's actually a lot of them, but this is more on the advanced side. And yeah, you can add a connector. You can just click on it and it will add. But some of them would um, not allow you to because it's like a paid version. Okay, so those are just the little features of Perplexity AI. And let's go straight into using it. So to create a new query or a new chat, you click on new thread, basically. So let's do something like what for activity in 2026. So we're gonna search here, and we're also going to do like a normal Google search and see what the difference will be. Pardon my network. Okay, it's loading. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. So what? So going to just click. So that's loading, and we're also going to do here too on Google search. So that's also loading. So as you can see, it's thinking. It's thinking. So while it's thinking, let me just check the comments to be sure that everyone is following. Okay. If you're following and you can see my screen, please let's see a reaction in the comment section so I know. Hello everyone, I'm so sorry about that. Can you see me now? Please let me know in the comment section if you can see me and you can hear me. It just went blank. Hello. Can you see me? Okay, okay, good. Okay, I think so sorry about that. The network kicked me out. So please let me know the very last thing you heard so that I can go back. Yes, I'm not sharing my screen yet. Hmm. Please let me know the very last thing you heard so I know where to backtrack to. Let me try to share my screen. Mm-mm-mm. Okay. Okay. My screen is back. Please let me know if you can see my screen again. Okay, linking all the apps to Perplexity. Okay. Thank you very much, Cynthia. Okay, so that was in the settings. Let me go back there. Okay. Mm, okay, done that. Done that. Okay. So back in the settings, if you go to connectors, you can link other apps to Perplexity AI. So you have different apps there, like Outlook. If you want Perplexity to have access to your Outlook, you can include that. If you use HubSpot, if you use Verso, you can include that. But some features are for the pro version, so you might not be able to get much of it if you're using just the free version, like we are right now. Okay, so in using, let's create a query with Perplexity AI. So I am going to do the same search. What are the top AI tools for productivity in 2026 on Google as well as Perplexity AI? Then we click this button for it to load. So it's thinking, and in seconds, we've gotten our response. So in 2026, of AI tools productivity, you have the basically a summary of your question as a response. You have it all broken down. It also gives you a table that you didn't even ask for. So Perplexity AI just went ahead to categorize it for you. And the best part is you get sources. So if you look at this at the top right here, when you see answer, links, images. So this is your answer. You're on the answer page. So if you click on links, you can get all the links that Perplexity went to scour to give you this result, as well as get images as well. And if you look at this, for this result here, this first one, you can see here, there's a tiny writing there for Zapier. If you click on it, that's the resource, that's the link to the actual resource. So you can go ahead and fact check. I mean, like all AI tools, always fact check yourself to be sure of the information. But although Perplexity AI boasts of more accurate results because it uses real time data, right? As opposed to like ChatGPT, where you could have not so accurate data. It could be you might get results in ChatGPT from like a couple of years ago, but you won't get up to like real time 2026. So that's just one feature or aspect of Perplexity AI. So with Google search is you get all these that you actually have to individually check each link, but with Perplexity is all summarized straight down and you get your sources that you can easily start working with. And of course, you can share this thread. So if you click on this tiny icon here, just like how you would share your Google Doc, you just click on it and it would, yeah. Similarly here, you can also share. So I have toggled mine to anyone with the link. So if you're doing this for the first time, you would probably see, it will probably be on private. So you can just change it, and then you can copy it and share it to whoever you want. You can also download this result. So of course, you can download it as a PDF, Markdown, doc. You can also copy. So if you want to copy and you want to paste it in, for example, a Google Doc, so you just do that. Maybe you want to share it with someone without the link. So just copy and then you can paste it there. And of course, you have all the links that you can use. So I'm also going to, let's try other prompts. So I know we're all like, we're all in different industries and different aspects. So for students, let's try something for students. I have a bunch of prompts that we can just explore and try. And of course, you can also try as many as you want. Okay, so for this, I'm going to use Perplexity AI's. What we have down here, kind of like options, or like focus options that you can specify for Perplexity AI. So since I want to ask like a research question, how can I stay focused while studying for 4+ hours? Give me science-based techniques. I'm going to click on research here. Just going to click on it and just search or find, click on the button, and I'm just going to allow it to do its thing. See, so in seconds, you have a result that, of course, you can verify because there are sources there that you can check. So if you just click on it, there are like 3 sources. So you can just click on any one and just follow the rabbit hole. So in a connection with that, you also have a summary, simple practical techniques that you can start using today. So it already gives like a breakdown for each one, real life examples that you can try. Yes, which brings me to follow-ups. So for each query that you make with Perplexity AI, you get follow-ups so that you don't have to write a new prompt and it will give you something completely different. No, you can just follow. You have a single thread like this, ask your question, it gives you the response, and you have follow-ups. And now this follow-ups is based on the context that you've already established. So we can just click on any one. What are common Pomodoro pitfalls and fixes? So you just continue like that, and it will give you responses. You can go through it, of course, fact check, and it could just continue that way, and you also get like more follow-ups. Of course, you can change and modify it to how you want. So before we proceed, let me just look at the comment section to make sure that we're still following. Okay, good question by Festus. Where is the settings? Okay, so if you go to your sidebar, let me show you. Yeah, so your sidebar here where you have search, computer, new thread, everything. So just at the very bottom where you have your name, just click on it, and then you see all settings here. So you can click on that. Yeah, so you have access to your account, your preferences, personalization, and everything you want to tweak to customize to your preference. You can go, yeah, you can do that. So if you have any other questions, please just keep them coming. So the results are real time. Yes, thank you. Yes, the results are real time. Let's see. Let's try something. Does anybody have a question that we can use to see the results? Please put it in the comment section. Please do. Please do. Meanwhile, let me try something. Yeah, I'll be looking in the comment section. So please, if you have a question you would like to try, please put it in there, and then we will explore with that. Okay, let's try this as well. Okay. Summarize recent changes to Nigeria's tax laws for individuals and provide citations. Let's see what it gives us. We're all about exploring. Da-da-da. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Okay. Okay. So it's giving us a response. Okay. Okay. And it also gives us sources that we can go ahead and check. That's loading. Okay. 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 Amazing. There are different sources that we can check. Also gives us follow-up questions. Okay, let's try this one. What compliance steps must employers take for pay under NTA? And yeah, of course, more responses, and of course, sources that you can also verify and fact check. Awesome. Okay, so let me just quickly check the comment section. What's happening in this Straits of Hormuz? Okay. Hi Bumi. Just to be sure I got that correctly, is that what's happening in the Straits of Hormuz? Let's type that out and see. I'm not quite sure, but let's see. Okay, I'm creating a new thread just so that you can always have all your information in one place. Okay. What is happening? Thomas? I see. I hope I got that correctly. Oh, Strait of Hormuz. Okay. Okay. It also gives you, yeah, the links that you can go ahead to verify and check. There's also a link, a YouTube link that you can also check. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much for that, me. Yes. Thank you so much. Okay. Please, if you have more questions, please go ahead. I'm conscious of our time, so I don't take too much of your time. In the meantime, I am just going to go through more features. Okay. Okay. So on the sidebar, you have your history. That's like all the queries and research that you've done. You can discover new things. So these are all like, see, this was published 2 hours ago. So you can click on that, and it's going to give you, it's almost like you have your very own news, world news anchor in one place. So everything happening, you just have it here. You can just keep exploring. You can probably spend like hours on this because you just keep seeing like new information. Yeah. And every result that you get would have sources that you can verify. So if you're also in the finance space, you have like real-time information about the stock markets and everything of that sort. And of course, you can also ask it questions as well. So let's try something. Let's try something. Let's try more prompts. Okay. Let's try a comparison prompt. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Let's try this. Okay. Let's say you want to upskill. The prompt is I want to upskill, and I have two options: product design and product management. Create a comprehensive pros and cons analysis between the two options. You can, I'm just going to use the compare and then click on search. So it's going to allow you to do its thing. It will give you your response, your sources, and your comparison. Yeah, so it broke it down into skills needed, daily work, career growth, job market, salary, potential, and of course, it also gives you best fit advice. So pick product design if you love visuals and empathy for users, like redesigning an edtech dashboard to make learning easier. It also gives you for product management as well. And of course, you have the follow-ups that you can build on. So you can just go what entry level skills are needed for product design versus product management, and it will give you a response. Yeah. So all the time you could spend like maybe 3 hours doing like manual research on Google, searching files and all that. Perplexity AI just helps you compress all that work down into seconds, basically. So you have more time to actually focus on what matters. Yes. So and you can keep going and get in and doing your research. You can even go into interview questions. Yes, so you can even use this to prepare for interviews. Let's try something. Um, I hope I haven't exceeded my limit for today. Let's try something. I want to interview for a business analyst role at Microsoft. Okay, Microsoft. Uh, create a create a interview plan. Yeah, for me, based on the role and interview. Okay, so let's see what it gives. Okay, okay. So you have gives you a breakdown of questions. So let's so you get a source that says, what is a business analyst at Microsoft? So it gives you a specific, it narrows it down to you for that company. Of course, if the company is online. So it gives you exactly what they would be looking for at that company. So this could really help narrow down your interview prep time into seconds. Okay, let me go back to the comment section. I hope I haven't been too fast. So please let me see your comments or your questions. If you need me to go over something again, please let me know. I'm looking at the comments section now. And if you have any other prompts that you would like us to try, please let me know. There really is so much you can accomplish with Perplexity AI. Oh, okay, we are 35 minutes in, and not to don't want to take too much of your time today. Okay, don't want to take too much of your time today, so we're going to round off now. If you still have any questions, please leave them in the general group on WhatsApp. I'll be sure to respond to any of them. So just to round off, there are so many prompts and questions that you can do with Perplexity AI. But to get as much value out of it, you need to provide as much context. Like, you need to do that generally with any AI tool you're using, including ChatGPT. The better your input, the better your output, basically. So, and of course, to get better at it, you have to explore. So you have to keep trying, explore different things, and you can also ask it to rate your prompt or your question. Yeah. So you can also do that as well. And if you're in the research sphere, if you do a lot of research, you can also use Perplexity AI to conduct your research. One moment. Okay, so let's say you want to, and of course, if you're a business owner as well, let's say you want to ask a question like, what are the most cost effective like marketing channels for, let's say, maybe your fashion brand with like a specific budget. Okay, let's try that before we round off so we can get a visual representation of it. Let's see. Okay, I have too many tabs open. Sorry. Okay. Let's say fashion. Yeah, fashion brand. A budget of, let's say, 100,000 naira. Okay. And let's see what it gives us. Okay, so it gives us top channels, Instagram, Facebook. Also gives you like a breakdown of what to post. You post photos, real stories of the outfits. Gives you how much to use on targeted ads. Even specifies Lagos. uh, WhatsApp business, TikTok. So basically, you whatever like idea you have, you can run it through, explore with Perplexity AI, think of different things, different solutions, and all, and so you have like a starting point, and with, you can build upon. Okay, so that is where I will be rounding off today. Thank you all so much for joining us today, for joining me, just me today. Thank you so much. Um, I hope you had a great time. If you missed out on anything, please send us a message in the WhatsApp group. Any questions, we'll be sure to address them. Okay, so thank you all so much. Do enjoy the rest of your day and your weekend. And we will see you tomorrow for day 13. Of course, the tool and the time will be communicated to you on the WhatsApp channel. So thank you all so much. Do enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.